Alright, welcome everyone. This is a half a case 4 box break of 2015 Inception Baseball. This is on eBay, ended tonight on the 17th of July. And the names and the teams. The Rays and the Cardinals don't have any hits, so I refunded the people. And thanks for telling me. I didn't realize that there were no hits there. So you guys got your refunds. So just so you know, if you get another breaks, don't bid on any Cardinals or Rays because there is no cards for them. All right, these are the teams. Everybody knows who you are and what you got. 11:33 p.m. Friday, July 17th Eastern Time. All right, you guys are gonna pick the boxes, so I'll show you how we're gonna do it. Really, the first one to answer. That's what we do. Okay. So, 4 to the right, 4 to the left, 4 on top, 4 on the bottom. The first one to answer, that's what we're going to do. So somebody pick 4 right, left, top, or bottom. Anyone, just first one to pick. Bottom, all right, mayonnaise, we do the bottom. That's it. Mayonnaise's first break. Hopefully we get some good luck with this one. All right, guys, good luck to everybody. Sorry about the camera, focusing out of the way. All right, one pack, and it should be what, 5 cards. All right, we start off. C.J. Edwards for the Cubs, one color, with a little blue dash there, not numbered. For the Blue Jays, Jeff Hoffman, also not numbered. We got Tyler Beede for the Giants. Christian Walker for the Orioles. And a Bradley Zimmer for the Indians. Alright, box number 2. Alright, we start off with Sean Coyle for the Red Sox. One color. This not numbered either. Tim Anderson for the White Sox. Kyle Freeland for the Rockies. And we got a numbered for the White Sox, Carlos Rodon. Got a nice hit coming up too, 21 out of 50. Carlos Rodon. And for my Mets, Noah Syndergaard. Congratulations, Mets. I think they lost tonight, but whatever. These are not numbered. All right. Number 3. Mayonnaise, you got the Mets? Shipley for the Diamondbacks. And I guess this is the case hit. Jose Berrios on card auto. This is the Bauman Inception mixed card, I guess. Right, this is supposed to be the case hit here. Minnesota. This is not numbered. Jake Thompson for the Rangers. Got Cole Stewart for the Twins. And Steven Moya for the Tigers. To be honest with you, I'm not really feeling these cards, to tell you the truth. I don't know. This doesn't stick out to me. And we got a redemption coming up. I'll hold that for last. See what that is. All right, Jorge Alfaro for the Rangers. Sorry about the focus, though. I got Sean Coyle for the Red Sox. For the Reds, Jesse Winkler out of 59 out of 99. Excuse me, 52 out of 99. And Brandon Shipley for the Diamondbacks. And we'll see what this redemption is. Hopefully, be a nice hit. Joey Gallo, autograph relic. And that does it. I guess the Syndergaard was the nice hit. Guys, thank you again for joining Hitless. I sent something also extra. All right, so if you didn't get a card, you'll get something. I'll see what I have. All depends on how many teams you got, what you paid. So I send a little better. But guys, thanks again for joining. And that's it. Have a good night.